Hello students, in this video we learn about our third method of error detection or error correction, which is known as checksum. In previous video we learned two other method for error checking. Today we learn our third topic is checksum. The, the term checksum refer to a sum of some bits calculated from digital data that is used to ensure the data integrity at the receiver end. The checksum is calculated as per specific scheme and is used for error checking in computer networks. So the checksum error detection scheme works as described below. So at the sender node, it means before transmission. So when data is not transmitted at sender node, what methods will be used for error checking in terms of checksum method? First step is the data being transmitted is divided into equal size k number of segments where each segment contain m number of bits. So like we have 4 segments: data unit 1, data unit 2, data unit 3, data unit 4. So k equal to 4 and m equal to 8 bits. So there are 8 bits and 4 segments. The divided k segments are added using 1 complements arithmetic, and extra bit more than m bits are added back to the sum. So now at the receiver node, first 2 segments we are going to add using binary method. So what is binary method? Binary addition method: 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 11. So it means where the left is carry is bit 1, and add the last carry bit to the result. So 1 plus 1 equals to 10, 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So 0 will be added and 1 will be carry. So now first 2 unit first we add. So we are going to add. If there is any extra bit, if there is any, so it will be move next step and we will add to the output. So this is our first output. In this output we add our third segment. Then after this, if there is any carry, it will be add again or wrap up, and last step we add fourth unit, and this is our last. If we have extra bit 1, then we are going to add this. This is our final sum. This is our final sum. Then after sum, the final sum's complement is calculated. This is the checksum. So first we find the complement of the final sum. How we can find the complement? 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. So 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, and 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, and this is our checksum result of at the sender node before the transmission. When the transmission is data is transmitted, then at the receiver node, what steps we will take? At receiver node after transmission, step 2 is repeated at the receiver end, like all the data segments are added using 1's complement arithmetic to get the new sum. So we will again, our first 2 unit will be added, then if there is extra 1, then third unit will be added and fourth unit will be added. So this is our new sum. This is our new sum. So added to the received checksum. So we added to the received checksum. This is our final output. Now we find the complement of this. Now we find the complement. Then output is all the 0. It means there is no error. So in 6th step, this calculate new sum is added with the received checksum and then complemented. Now if the result is all 0, the data transmission is successful, like no error. If the result is not all 0, the transmission is erroneous or reject the data. So at the receiver node we find again sum. After the fourth unit we will get this sum and we will add this by the our data checksum and complement the result. If the all becomes 0, then it means there is data is accepted and no error is there. So today we learned what is the checksum method, what we have to done at the sender node before transmission by checksum method, or what we have to done at the receiver node after transmission. If the final output is 0, then there is no error, and if there is no there is no all zeros, then the transmission is erroneous or reject the data.